Hello, my name is Michael, and today we are going to renovate, well, work on a part of the renovation for the new entertainment center. But the fireplace is the TV currently, and I've never really liked it up there. So we're gonna repurpose this bookshelf, make it both store books and the entertainment components, the TV. But I need to do a few little minor tweaks before this thing gets fixed. So let's get started. That I spoke about is this big unfinished piece of wood on the floor in here, 9 feet long, got the base right behind it, and in order to properly get it set up, we need to assemble these 6 2x4s into basically like a little wall. Now, what we'll need for this project, the 6 2x4s, the wood glue, because Titebond III for the win, tape measure, pencil, speed square, and of course our handy dandy miter saw and our drill. So those are all the things we need to get started. For framing things, the first thing I want to do is I want to mark out my 2 80-inch studs so I can cut those on the miter saw, and then I'm gonna just use the stop block on there to cut out the the 47-inch piece, because the whole thing is gonna be 50. I'll put that on the screen somewhere around here, but anyway, let's get started. So let's mark this out. 80. Perfect. Then we transfer our mark, our speed square, nice and easy, and we repeat that for one more stud. Typically, I like to cut these studs at the same time because I don't have to worry about them being different or off. And I think this one is not that bad, so I'm just gonna lay up the second stud here right next to it and get it all set. I could use a stop block on the saw, but the thing I am concerned about is it the same? And so all I do to line it up is just make sure that this piece is here, touches that line. I can come back here and these will get the same cut all the way through. I'm not gonna do that right now because it's gonna be very loud. And so I'm gonna cut all these pieces and then we're gonna build out the wall with the screws. Make sure that. Okay, so after cutting everything, I'm going to start assembling this. What I did here was I used my MFT to go ahead and have this whole section so that I can actually line everything up. I put the speed square in the corner, and I'm showing right now just MFT and how those dog holes are super helpful to help me line everything up. So what I did mostly was put glue on the end of that 2x4 because it's a piece of pine and it's very thirsty. So after I put some on, I wipe it with my finger. I use my rag to go ahead and make sure that I get all of the excess glue off. Put a little bit more because when I rubbed it in, it wasn't quite enough. And then I can use those dog holes and that speed square. And I also cut up a few little pieces of 2x4 into the space in between. I used about 4.75, so it's not quite 16 on center. But here I'm driving this screw right into it. I'm missing a couple times. But driving this screw right in and making sure that's aligned, trying to make sure with the square is good to go. And there we go. I put a couple screws in that thing and we are nice and flush and ready to rock and roll. So everything worked out. We have it. This is our 80-inch long by 50-inch tall wall. And the beautiful part about this is if I did mess up and I need to take it apart again, outside of some glue, which hammer taps, it'll be fine, take it right off, I can fix it. There's a bit of a bow at the bottom and a little crown at the top. So I have to figure out, probably shim some stuff to make this even once I attach it to here. But nice part about this is I'll add some blocking and a couple other pieces and we'll be done. This is gonna be fun to finish out this huge project, and this is a lot more massive than I thought it would be. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.